Kids, can you tell us what that is?
Wild onion.
Wild onion, that's right.
But I can't even pick anything.
That's okay. We're not going to be eating lunch out here or nothing. Here we have an area where last year we had some chicken of the woods. I got out here just a little bit too late. You see, this is what's left. That was late last fall. Kevin's got a piece over there.
Yeah.
But
when it's dead, it's usually like white, but when it's just when it's alive, it's like like a goldish, short-ish.
Orange and kind of white, creamy color.
Yeah.
We'll be out here about the time morel season ends. And we'll be on the lookout for that out here. See, the crawdaddies were already busy here in central Illinois, making their little mud homes.
So I have my idea where I know like how fast the stream is going, and you're not like 100% sure. Throw a stick into the water, so like it's going slowly.
Right, you can kind of man it, see how fast the current is. There we have a really nice slow current. You wouldn't have too much trouble crossing, but if it's a lot faster water, you might want to be a little more careful. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, like if the stick is going fast, it's going to be faster current.
Right. Awesome. Thanks, buddy. Just pay attention to where you're going. I've seen this little guy running for cover whenever I come through. Today's message from the Department of Natural Resources comes from Camicide insect spray, saying, "Do not litter." Actually, these would be a pretty good resource. I don't know if I'd want to drink anything out of this one. We've got a little jar here that we could use for a container if we needed to. In any case, we'll grab both of these and carry them out of the woods. We always try to take a little bit of garbage out with us whenever we come out. I think this insect spray jar has been out here long enough.